Tesla windshields are unique, incorporating advanced features like UV blocking layers that protect against harmful rays, electrochromic tinting that adjusts automatically to light conditions, and sensors for autopilot navigation and rain detection systems. However, improper cleaning can damage these sensitive components, potentially leading to costly repairs or impaired functionality of these advanced systems. This video provides a step-by-step guide to safely and effectively clean your Tesla windshield at home, preserving its integrity and ensuring optimal visibility for safe driving. Tesla windshields are made of laminated, tempered glass with multiple layers that provide strength and clarity. Before you start cleaning your Tesla windshield, gather the necessary supplies to ensure a safe and effective process. You'll need a mild, ammonia-free glass cleaner, such as Tesla recommended Meguiar's Whole Car Air Refreshener, or a simple solution of distilled water with a few drops of dish soap. Gather several clean microfiber cloths, which are gentle on the glass surface and won't cause scratches. You'll also need a bucket for mixing your cleaning solution and a soft bristle brush to gently loosen any dirt. A plastic scraper may be helpful for removing stubborn spots without scratching the glass. Important tip: avoid using paper towels as they can scratch the delicate glass surface. Begin by rinsing the windshield with water to remove loose dirt, dust, and other debris. You can use a hose or a damp microfiber cloth. Pay special attention to removing bird droppings, as they are acidic and can be corrosive. This initial rinse helps prevent scratching during the cleaning process. Dilute your chosen pH-neutral cleaner in water using a 1-to-1 ratio. This ensures the solution is gentle on Tesla's advanced glass coatings while effectively breaking down dirt and grime. Apply the diluted cleaner using circular motions with a clean microfiber cloth. This helps lift dirt particles without scratching the glass. Work from the center outward to ensure even distribution across the entire surface. For Tesla models with electrochromic tinting, such as the latest Model S and Model X, use minimal pressure in those areas. This prevents damage to the auto-dimming layer that adjusts opacity based on light conditions. Tip: always clean and shade to prevent rapid drying and streaks. This helps achieve a clear, professional finish on your Tesla windshield. Now for the wiping step, dry the windshield thoroughly with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. Use straight, overlapping lines to prevent streaks and ensure even coverage. For any stubborn spots that remain, gently use a plastic scraper. Be careful to avoid applying excessive pressure, which could damage the glass surface. After drying, check the sensor areas around the rearview mirror for any remaining residue. These areas contain important sensors for rain detection and other systems, so wipe them clean carefully. Remember this important tip: cleaning in the shade is crucial. Direct sunlight causes rapid drying, which leads to streaks and makes it harder to achieve a clear finish. After cleaning your Tesla windshield, perform a thorough inspection to ensure optimal visibility and sensor performance. First, inspect the windshield for any remaining streaks or spots that could impair visibility. Look closely at the glass surface for any mist debris or drying marks. If you find any issues, reapply your cleaner and dry the area again using gentle circular motions with a clean microfiber cloth. Next, ensure sensor alignment around the rearview mirror for proper camera functionality. These sensors are crucial for autopilot and other safety features. Clean your wiper blades separately with rubbing alcohol to remove debris and improve their performance. This helps prevent streaking during rain. Finally, remember to always use pH-neutral cleaners between 7 and 8 to maintain the hydrophobic coating on the glass, which helps water bead up and roll off. Avoid common mistakes that can damage your Tesla windshield. Acidic cleaners like vinegar erode sensor coatings, while abrasive tools scratch the surface. Temperature extremes can cause the glass to warp. These issues often lead to warranty claims, especially for HUD distortions. Follow best practices instead. Tesla service manuals provide specific cleaning protocols. Use gentle, pH-neutral methods to protect sensors and coatings. Always clean in shade to avoid temperature issues. By following these best practices, you'll avoid damage and warranty issues, keeping your windshield clean and your Tesla performing at its best.